So this is a North American T-28 A model. This was the Air Force used them. Mine's a pretty early serial number, pretty early airplane, 49. 800 horsepower right engine. Obviously tricycle gear. The tricycle gear, you know, after World War II, the Air Force decided, you know, hey, we got all these trainers, they're all tail wheel. We're going to the jet era. Well, we need something to teach our pilots to fly jets. This airplane went to the U.S. Air Force, 49, served to, I believe, 52 or 53, can't remember. And after that, it went to Mexico. And so the Mexican Air Force flew these quite a while. And then the airplane was left in Mexico, derelict. I actually don't know who brought this airplane back, but someone went down and bought a few, brought them back. So this airplane went from Mexico to Florida in pieces. From Florida to California, from California to Florida, from Florida back to California to another guy, and someone got it flying. I'd been looking for one that was, I wanted one that was flying that I could take back apart, then buy one in a box and build it from nothing. And so I went down, flew the airplane back, and took it all apart. And again, it was something that someone could buy for a realistic amount of money and then slowly apply money to it. I couldn't afford to just go out and buy one done, nor did I want one done. I wanted to do it myself. And that's part of loving these old warbirds. For me, not having any military background, not a pilot, no one in my family was a pilot, not knowing even anyone who was a pilot the day I walked into the FBO. But I knew what I wanted to do, and I wasn't going to quit until I did that. So, and there's a lot further I want to go. Anyone can do this. If I can do this, anyone can do this. So, you know, I grew up with not much. You know, my family's not wealthy, but I just said, you know, this is what I want. The history of this airplane, that's what's important, right? I mean, that's why probably 90% of these people out here are doing this. It's not because I want to have a T-28 or I want to fly, you know, a Mustang or whatever. It's the history that comes along with the airplane. It's so cool to me to think, who might have flown this? I mean, who knows? I don't have the logbooks from the military. Who flew this airplane? Who was being taught in this airplane and went on to do amazing things in the jets of their age, you know?